Hi guys, welcome to another Gadget First video. Today we've got the Vodafone mobile Wi-Fi. Basically this is a product that takes mobile internet from Vodafone and turns it into a Wi-Fi hotspot for up to 5 Wi-Fi enabled devices. For apparently up to 21.6 megabit downloads and 5.7 megabit uploads, which is pretty astounding considering it's coming from mobile internet. Obviously this is mainly for use on devices like iPads, iPod touches, devices that can use the internet but don't have 3G built in. I mean, obviously you can get the 3G iPads, but that's, I mean, if you don't have if you have the Wi-Fi only iPad, this will be a really useful product. So let's do an unboxing here. Actually, let's take a look at the box first, see what information it's got on it. So yeah, I've already told you about the download and upload speeds. You can connect up to 5 devices onto it. Pick up and go, up to 4.5 hours of usage. That's really good. 10-meter range on battery and up to a 60-meter range when powered by the mains. That's really impressive actually. Simple and secure, easy to set up and highly configurable. Okay, so it's nice and easy to set up if you haven't used one before. Insert micro SD card and use as Wi-Fi storage hub. That's quite interesting, so you can basically use it as a Wi-Fi hard drive kind of thing. That's really cool, and apparently it works with tablets, laptops, games consoles, music players and other internet devices. So let's unbox this. So sliding it out there, you can see the device itself, which we'll take a closer look at in just a second. And you've got the red Vodafone packaging there. We'll just take that out completely. You've got the mains charger here, which this USB cable plugs into. So that will charge the battery inside the Vodafone mobile Wi-Fi, and it will also act as a mains power supply for when you want to use that 60-meter range instead of 10-meter when you have mains at your disposal. A welcome thing, basically telling you how to set it up, how to configure using a cable or Wi-Fi. That's cool. So you can configure the device using Wi-Fi. So if you don't have the USB lead, you can set it up with Wi-Fi, which is quite cool. Safety manual. Basically just telling you don't put it in acid and stuff. It tells you a bit more than that, but you get the gist. How to keep your guide to keep it handy. How to connect device to mobile Wi-Fi. Oh right, so that's your network key and the network name, so you know what Wi-Fi network to connect it to. That's cool. And warranty and terms and conditions. So that's all the stuff you don't really care too much about. We'll just move that out of the way and take a better look at this. This is the device itself. I'll just take off the screen protector here. So you've got the Vodafone logo here. It's all plastic. You've got the silver looking Vodafone logo, and this is the glossy black screen, which gives you just basic information about how much data you've used, the network you're on, which will obviously be Vodafone, and what network you're currently using at the moment, whether it's 3G, 2G, 3G plus or whatever. So it's got a getting started thing, tells you to use this. We'll peel that off. Just leaves us with the Vodafone logo on the back. We've got a power key here. On the left, we've got the micro SD slot, and on top we've got this to pull the battery off. Now I found this to be a bit of a pain in the past. But it comes off now. So you can see the device The battery is made by Hawaii. It's got a capacity of 1500 milliamp hours, which is really good considering all this is going to be doing is just pumping out Wi-Fi. That should last quite a bit of time, 4.5 hours as stated. Yeah, that's all cool. And it says underneath the battery you've got the network code. Yeah, so here you've got the Wi-Fi key. So now anyone who knows where I am can log into my Wi-Fi and screw my internet. But here's the Vodafone SIM card. Just a standard Vodafone SIM card. Any Vodafone SIM card should do, I think. So that's all cool, as long as it's 3G. Not too much point having a 2G mobile hotspot. Be very, very slow. Okay, so let's power the device on. You can see a little Vodafone logo coming up on the screen. The screen's not too bright, but should be okay. I'm not sure how long it takes to boot up, but it shouldn't be too long. Should have a fairly minimalist operating system, should just do what it needs to do and not much else. There we go, it's booted up. It's on Vodafone UK. It tells you how much data it's used, 59 bytes, 118 bytes, that's really not a lot. If you don't know how much data you're using, like you don't know if a megabyte is a lot, for instance. Bytes is the smallest you get megabytes. Well, there's stuff below bytes, but on here, for argument's sake, bytes is the lowest you'll get. Megabytes is then the next lot up, then you get gigabytes, and so on. I doubt you'll be using too many gigabytes on this though. Up here, it tells you how good your reception is, what signal you're using, whether the Wi-Fi is on, and also the battery life. You can see it's only using Edge, which is 2G in my location. To be honest, I found the Vodafone network not to be too great in my area. However, I found that download and upload speeds have been really good in areas where you get 3G. So I'll definitely be testing it in my area as well as an area where I get 3G as well. So look out for a full review, and I'll be using it with a number of devices, tablets, laptops, desktop, computers, mobile phones, everything you can imagine. So thanks for watching, and look out for a full review.